Proportion. In the proportion involving two ratios as in A over B equals C over D, or A is to B equals C is to D, where the first and third terms A and D are the extremes, while the second and third terms B and C are the means. The product of the means is equal to the product of the extremes. Types of proportion. So, yung proportion guys is may tatlong types. Yung unang type niya is yung direct proportion, yung pangalawa is inverse proportion, and yung pangatlo ay partitive proportion. Direct proportion is the relation between two quantities where the ratio of the two is equal to a constant value. When one quantity increases or decreases as the other quantity also increases or decreases at the same ratio rate. Yung direct proportion guys is kapag tumaas yung isang quantity, ibig sabihin nun, yung isa pang quantity niya is dapat tumaas rin. Kapag yung isa ay bumaba, dapat yung isa pababa rin. Direct proportion examples. To make 8 glasses of Dalgona coffee, you need 11 tablespoons of sugar. How many tablespoons of sugar do you need to make 16 glasses? Yung hinahanap sa problem na to is kung ilang tablespoons of sugar yung kailangan mo para makagawa ka ng 16 glasses ng Dalgona coffee. Ilalatag na natin yung given. So, yung 8 glasses, kailangan ng 11 tablespoons. At yung 16 glasses, ilan yung kailangang tablespoons, yun yung hinahanap. So, 8 glasses over 11 tablespoons is equal to 16 glasses over x na hinahanap natin. Magko-cross multiplication tayo, so 11 times 16 is 176 and x times 8 is 8x. 176 divided by 8 and 8x divided by 8. 176 divided by 8 is 22 tablespoons equals x kasi cancel out. Answer natin 22. You need 22 tablespoons of sugar to make 16 glasses of Dalgona coffee. If a motorcycle uses 3 liters of fuel to travel 60 kilometers, how much fuel is needed to travel in 200 kilometers? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito is kung ilang liters of fuel ang kailangan mo para makapag-travel ka ng 200 kilometers. Ilalatag na natin yung mga given natin. So, kailangan mo ng 3 liters para makapag-travel ka ng 60 kilometers. Ilang litro yung kailangan mo para makapag-travel ka ng 200 kilometers? Yun yung hinahanap. So, 3 liters over 60 kilometers equals x yung hinahanap natin over 200 kilometers. So, gagamit tayo ng cross multiplication. 60 times x is 60x. 200 times 3 is 600. 60x over 60 equals 600 over 60. X kasi cancel out. 600 divided by 60 is 10 liters. Yan ang final answer. The motorcycle will need 10 liters of fuel to travel 200 kilometers. If 3,500 fans of Sabrina Carpenter can support 7 concerts, how many concerts can 1,500 fans of Olivia Rodrigo support? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito, kung ilang concerts daw yung kayang suportahan ng 1,500 fans ni Olivia Rodrigo. Ilalatag na natin yung mga given. So, yung 3,500 fans ni Sabrina ay kayang sumuporta ng 7 concerts. Equals 1,500 fans ni Olivia ay ilang concerts yung kayang sumuportahan. 3,500 fans over 7 concerts equals 1,500 fans over x hinahanap natin. Magko-cross multiplication tayo. So, 7 times 1,500 equals 10,500 equals x times 3,500 equals 3,500x. 10,500 divided by 3,500 equals 3 concerts equals 3,500x divided by 3,500 equals x because cancel out. 1,500 fans of Olivia Rodrigo can support 3 concerts. Direct proportion activities. I-post na lang para masagutan ang activities. If a worker earns 3,250 for 5 hours of work, how much will they earn for 8 hours of work? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung magkano ang earnings nila para sa 8 hours of work na ginawa nila. Ilatag muna natin yung mga given. So, 3,250 ay yung na-earn nila sa 5 hours of work. Equals yung hinahanap natin na earnings nila para sa 8 hours of work. 3,250 over 5 hours equals yung hinahanap nating earnings nila over 8 hours of work. Cross multiplication, 5 hours times x, 5x. 8 hours times 3,250 equals 26,000. 5x divided by 5 equals x. Cancellation, 26,000 divided by 5 equals to 5,200 pesos. Final answer. The worker will earn 5,200 pesos for 8 hours of work. If renting one gown cost 2,500, how much would it cost to rent 5 gowns? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung magkano ang cost kapag magrerenta ako ng 5 gowns. Ilalatag na natin yung mga given. So, 1 gown ay nagkakahalaga ng 2,500 pesos. Equals 5 gowns. At yung hinahanap nating cost if magre-rent ako ng 5 gowns. So, 1 gown over 2,500 pesos equals 5 gowns over x. Dahil hinahanap nga natin yung cost. Cross multiplication, 2,500 times 5 equals 12,500 equals 1 times x is 1x. 12,500 divided by 1 equals 12,500 pesos equals x, cancel yung 1. So, yung final answer natin ay 12,500 pesos. 12,500 pesos is the cost to rent 5 gowns. In a law school entrance exam, 85 students passed the exam out of 200 applicants. If 400 applicants took the exam, how many students would pass? Ang hinahanap sa problem ay kung ilan ang makakapasang estudyante kapag 400 applicants yung nag-exam. Ilalatag natin ulit yung mga given. 85 students ang nakapasa lang sa 200 applicants equals yung hinahanap natin kung ilang estudyante yung makakapasa sa 400 applicants. ₱85 students over 200 applicants equals x. Dahil hinahanap natin yung dami ng nakapasa na estudyante over 400 applicants. Cross multiplication, 200 times x equals 200x. 400 times 85 students equals 34,000. 200x divided by 200 equals x dahil cancel out. 34,000 divided by 200 equals 170 students. If 400 applicants took the exam, 170 students would pass. Yung next naman ay inverse proportion. Is the relation between two quantities where one quantity increases or decreases as the other quantity decreases or increases at the same ratio rate. Sa inverse proportion guys, kapag tumaas yung isang quantity naman ay bababa. At kapag bumaba yung isang quantity, yung isa naman ay tataas. So magkaiba sila ni direct proportion. Inverse proportion examples. A team of 7 students can complete a project in 18 days. How many days would it take if only 3 students are working? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung 3 estudyante na lang ang natira, ilang days yung kailangan nila bago nila matapos ang isang project. Ilalatag muna natin yung mga given natin. 7 students ay kayang tumapos ng isang project ng 18 days. Equals 3 students at yung hinahanap nating araw bago nila matapos ang isang project. 7 times 18 at 3 times x. So 7 times 18 equals 126 equals 3 times x equals 3x. 126 over 3 equals 3x over 3. 126 divided by 3 equals 42 days equals 3x divided by 3 equals x because cancel out. 42 days ang final answer. With only 3 students, it will take 42 days to complete the project. One artist can finish 3 murals in 12 days. If 4 artists work together, how many days will it take to finish the same 3 murals? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung ilang days matatapos ng 4 na artists yung 3 murals. Ilatag muna natin yung mga given natin. Yung 1 artist, kaya niyang tapusin yung 3 murals ng 12 days. Paano naman yung 4 artists, ilang days sila matatapos yung 3 murals? So, 1 times 12 equals 4 times x. So, 1 times 12 equals 12, and 4 times x equals 4x. So, 12 divided by 4 equals 3 days, equals 4x divided by 4 equals x dahil cancel out. Final answer natin ay 3 days. 4 artists will take 3 days to complete the 3 murals. If 14 designers can finish decorating a wedding venue in 4 days, how long would it take if there were only 7 designers? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung ilang days ang kailangan kapag 7 designers na lang ang natira para mag-decorate ng isang wedding venue. Ilatag muna natin yung mga given. 14 designers ay kaya mag-decorate ng isang wedding venue ng 4 days. Equals 7 designers at yung hinahanap natin kung ilang days bago nila matapos ang isang wedding venue. 14 times 4 equals 56 equals 7 times x equals 7x. 56 divided by 7 equals 7x divided by 7. 56 divided by 7 equals 8 days. Equals 7x divided by 7 equals x dahil cancel out. 8 days ang final answer. It will take 7 designers 8 days to complete the decoration. In first proportion activities, if 6 bakers can bake 340 cakes in 8 hours, how long will it take for just 4 bakers to bake 340 cakes? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung ilang oras ang kailangan ng 4 bakers para makapag-bake sila ng 340 cakes. Ilatag muna natin yung mga given natin. Yung 6 bakers ay kayang gumawa ng 340 cakes sa loob ng 8 hours. Equals yung 4 bakers at yung hinahanap nating oras. 6 times 8 equals 4 times x. 6 times 8 equals 48 equals 4 times x equals 4x. 48 divided by 4 equals 4x divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 equals 12 hours equals 4x divided by 4 equals x dahil cancel out. Yun ang final answer. It will take 4 bakers 12 hours to bake 340 cakes. A professor can check 75 student activities in 4 hours. How long will it take for the professor to check 50 student activities? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung ilang hours ang kailangan ng professor para makapag-check ng 50 student activities. Ilatag muna natin yung mga given natin. Yung 75 student activities ay kailangan ng 4 hours para ma-checkan. Equals yung 50 student activities at yung hinahanap nating hours para ma-checkan yun. 75 times 4 equals 300. Equals 50 times x equals 50x. 300 divided by 50 equals 6 hours. Equals 50x divided by 50 equals x dahil cancel out. The professor will take 6 hours to check 50 student activities. If a Roblox game requires 8 players to complete the game in 6 hours, how long will it take if only 4 players are available? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay kung ilang oras ang kailangan ng 4 players para makumpleto nila ang isang Roblox game. Ilatag muna natin yung mga given. Yung 8 players ay kailangan ng 6 hours para makakomplete ng game. Equals yung 4 players at yung hinahanap nating oras para makakumpleto sila ng isang laro. 8 times 6 equals 48 equals 4 times x equals 4x. 48 divided by 4 equals 12 hours equals 4x divided by 4 equals x dahil cancel out. It will take 4 players 12 hours to complete the game. Ang next naman ay partitive proportion, or proportion by parts. Describes a whole amount being divided or distributed into 2 or more unequal parts. Ang partitive proportion ay ibang-iba sa direct at inverse proportion. Kapag nakuha mo na kasi yung whole amount, iti-divide at iti-distribute mo siya sa bawat parts. Partitive proportion examples. A prize of 398,000 is to be divided among 4 winners in the ratio of 5:2:6:3. How much does each winner receive? Ang hinahanap sa problem na ito ay magkano yung makukuha ng 4 na parts na yon sa 398,000. Ilalatag muna natin yung mga given natin. 5x is to 2x is to 6x is to 3x equals 398,000. 5x plus 2x plus 6x plus 3x equals 398,000. Ipagpa-plus natin yan. So, magiging 16x equals 398,000. 16x divided by 16 equals x dahil ika-cancel natin at 398,000 divided by 16 equals 24,875 pesos. Ita-times na natin ang 24,875 sa mga parts niya. 5 times 24,875 equals 124,375 pesos. 2 times 24,875 equals 49,750. 6 times 24,875 equals 149,250 pesos. 3 times 24,875 equals 74,625 pesos. Labubu and Sunny Angel are collecting toys. They have a total of 88 toys combined, and the ratio of Labubu's toys to Sunny Angel's is 2:9. How many toys does each one have? Yung hinahanap sa problem ay kung ilan yung dun sa Labubu's toys at kay Sunny Angel's doon sa 88 toys na nakahalo. Ilalatag muna natin yung mga given. 2x is to 9x equals 88 toys. 2x plus 9x equals 88 toys. Ipagpa-plus natin, 11x equals 88 toys. 11x divided by 11 equals x dahil ika-cancel out. 88 toys divided by 11 equals 8 toys. Yan ang final answer. Ita-times na natin yung 8 toys sa parts niya. 2 times 8 equals 16 toys. 9 times 8 equals 72 toys. A total of 24 hours is assigned for 3 architecture students to complete their final plates, and the time is divided in the ratio of 3:4:5. How many hours will each student work in their final plates? Ang hinahanap sa problem ay kung ilang oras ang bawat isang architecture student para magawa nila yung plates nila. Ilalatag natin yung mga given. 3x is to 4x is to 5x equals 24 hours. 3x plus 4x plus 5x equals 24 hours. Ipagpa-plus natin, 12x equals 24 hours. 12x divided by 12 equals x dahil ika-cancel out equals 24 hours divided by 12 equals 2 hours. Yan ang final answer. Ita-times natin si 2 hours sa parts niya. 3 times 2 equals 6 hours. 4 times 2 equals 8 hours. 5 times 2 equals 10 hours. Partitive proportion activities. The total revenue from ticket sales for the movie Hello, Love Again is 444,000. The tickets are sold in the following ratio: 4:13:14:6. How much money did each group contribute to the total revenue? Ilalatag natin yung mga given. 4x is to 13x is to 14x is to 6x equals 444,000. 4x plus 13x plus 14x plus 6x equals 444,000. Ipagpa-plus natin yung mga yan. Kaya 37x equals 444,000. 37x divided by 37 equals x, cancel out, equals 444,000 divided by 37 equals 12,000 pesos. Ita-times na natin si 12,000 sa mga parts niya. 4 times 12,000 equals 48,000 pesos. 13 times 12,000 equals 156,000 pesos. 14 times 12,000 equals 168,000 pesos. 6 times 12,000 equals 72,000 pesos. A total of 300,000 pesos is to be distributed among 3 employees as Christmas bonuses. The bonuses are given in the ratio of 1:3:6. How much does each employee receive? Ilalatag na natin yung mga given. 1x:3x:6x equals 300,000. 1x plus 3x plus 6x equals 300,000. Ipagpa-plus natin kaya 10x equals 300,000. 10x divided by 10 equals x dahil ika-cancel. 300,000 divided by 10 equals 30,000 pesos. Ita-times na natin si 30,000 sa mga parts niya. 1 times 30,000 equals 30,000 pesos. 3 times 30,000 equals 90,000 pesos. 6 times 30,000 equals 180,000 pesos. 150 kilograms of rice is to be distributed among 3 people in the ratio of 2:5:3. How many kilogram of rice will each person receive? Ilalatag na natin yung mga given. 2x:5x:3x equals 150 kilograms. 2x plus 5x plus 3x equals 150 kilograms. Ipagpa-plus natin, 10x equals 150 kilograms. 10x divided by 10 equals x dahil ika-cancel out equals 150 kilograms divided by 10 equals 15 kilograms. Ita-times na natin si 15 kilograms sa mga parts niya. 2 times 15 kilograms equals 30 kilograms. 5 times 15 kilograms equals 75 kilograms. 3 times 15 kilograms equals 45 kilograms.
Again, I'm Kyla Eunice A. Agrawande from ABM 11Y1-1, leaving you all with this inspirational quote. Mathematics is not about numbers. Equations, computations, or algorithm. It is about understanding. Quote by William Moulton Thurston.